Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about chain rule problems from time and work. This is very a repeated model for campus recruitment written exam. See what type of questions we have. So these are the models I collected. Here the question is there are 39 persons can repair a road in 12 days, okay, working 5 hours a day. Okay, repair a road, that is I consider 1 unit of the work. The question is how many days will 30 persons working 6 hours a day to complete the work, right? Initially 39 persons can do the same work in 12 days working 5 hours per day. Now 30 persons only available, they are working 6 hours per day, the same unit of work. The question is how many days it required, how many I take some x days. So after writing that given information in this particular order, that means PhD work, persons, hours, days, work. After taking that information into two particular rows, do one thing, consider all these three as one unit. Okay, so this is separate unit. Now that becomes 5 hours per day, 12 days they are working 39 persons. So this is entirely one unit I consider. The ratio between these two is also equal to ratio between these two. That means direct proportionality condition. Now after making simplification, this is 6 times will cancel, 6 here 2 times will cancel, 3 times, 3 here will cancel 13 times. Don't worry about PDH value in numerator and denominator. After making simplification we get x value. After multiplying doing cross multiplication we get x value 13. So 13 is the correct answer, right? So try to understand how I simplified this question by using direct proportionality condition. I simply write that entire information into two particular rows. I simplified in this way. The next question is in the same model, 5 persons can do 5 times of the work in 5 days. Try to understand. Work I take in right side, remaining persons, days, number of hours I used to take in left side. Now the question is then 10 persons can do 10 times of the work. Okay, 10 times of the work in how many days? Here hours is not given. Still we follow the same. Persons and days I take as one unit, work as one unit. Now this gives direct proportionality condition. That means this one divided by this one is definitely equal to this one. Now simplify. 5 get cancelled, 10 get cancelled, x equal to 5. Okay, 5 days. Most of you may think answer is 10 days. No, that is not correct. Here the thing is all 5 persons doing 5 units of the work in 5 days. They are working all 5 days. All 5 persons working all 5 days to complete 5 units of the work. Okay, even 10 persons to do the 10 units of the work, they have to work only 5 days, right? From the above given information, one person is working 5 days to complete 1 unit of the work. Similarly, 10 persons can do 10 times of the work in 5 days only. All 10 people can do 5 days to complete 10 units of the work. So this is the logic. So no need of logic here, simply writing that given information in this particular way and make it simplify, you get the answer. So another similar model, 40 cows can eat 40 bags of the husk in 40 days. I told you work you will consider in right side, the remaining all in left side. So in how many days, how many means some x days, one cow can eat one bag of the husk. So follow the same, just you write and take it into direct proportionality condition. Now x will be 40. So 40 is the correct answer. Okay. Next question, that is also in the same model. 7 spiders can make 7 webs in 7 days. 7 webs is the work, 7 days I take in left side. Now one spider will make 2 webs in how many days? Some x days. Do this as one unit and follow the same. 7 get cancelled, 7 into 2. Now x equal to 14 days required. So that's so easy now. That won't take more than 20 seconds to solve such questions. No need of any logic here to solve such questions. Now the similar model question, a contract is to be completed in 46 days. 117 men were set to work, each working 8 hours a day. After 33 days, 4 by 7th part of the work is completed. How many additional working 9 hours a day to complete rest of the work? So this is the question. Actually the question is some continuation is there, to complete the rest of the work in time. Okay, this is the question. Now actual contract days are 46 days. 46 days is the contract days. I take that value here. There are initially 117 men are put in the job, each working 8 hours per day. After 33 days, 4 by 7th part of the work is completed. Now that means what is the rest of the work? 3 by 7th part of the work is rest of the work. Out of 46, 33 days are completed. What are the rest of the works? Rest of the days, 13 days. Now the question is how many? That means this rest of the 3 by 7th part of the work is not going to be completed in 13 days. They need additional men and additional working hours. So working hours anyway given, that is 9 hours per day is given. Is asking how many additional men. That means we need to add certain number of persons, that is some x persons is to be added to complete that rest of the work, working 9 hours per day in given rest of the time, that is 13 days. Right. So PhD work, P means number of men, persons here in place of person, number of men. PhD work. Okay, follow the same and take it in direct proportionality condition. Simplify that. 13 will cancel here 9 times, 9 and 9 get cancelled, 7 just remove, 4 will cancel here 2 times, right? Okay. Now 2 into 33 into 3, we need, that means 117 plus x equal to 2 into 33, 66 into 3. That value is 198. Okay, now the x equal to 198 minus 117. So that value is 180. 81 men should be added to 117 number of people to complete the work in time. Okay, so this is the way we solve the problem. Even the question is very difficult, simply we write that entire information into simple format, that is PhD work format, we easily solve such questions. The another question in the same similar model, that is a certain number of persons can dig 100 meters long, 50 meters broad, 10 meters deep in 10 days. The same number of persons can dig another trench 20 meters broad, 15 meters deep, 30 days. The length of the second trench is what? Here just I am going to write that information into two particular rows. N number of persons, certain number of persons can dig 100 meters long, 50 meters broad, 10 meters deep. Okay, this is a cuboid shaped trench. This is the cuboid shaped trench is digging that cuboid shaped trench is the work. This is all work taking as one unit, and the same number of persons, that is n number of persons, can dig another trench. And one particular information I am missing here, 10 meters deep in 10 days. That 10 days we consider in left side itself, 10 days, right? Next, the same number of persons, that is n number of persons, can dig another trench 20 meters broad, 15 meters deep in 30 days they are working. Okay, 30 days. The question is the length of the second trench. Length I take some x length. Okay. Now this is the volume of the cuboid shape, that is L into B into D or H. The PhD work, this is actually work. Number of hours is still not given. No need to worry about number of hours. So follow the same method, that is direct proportionality condition method, and simplify here. So do like this, 2 times will cancel, 3 times will cancel here, 3 in 30, 10 times will cancel, here will cancel, 2, this is 10 times. Now 5 into 100, 5 times. Now x equal to, after making simplification, n will anyway cancel, 100 into 5, that is 500 is the length of the second trench. Okay, so don't worry about L, B, D values, anyway those all are going to be cancelled. So x equal to 500 meters length. So this is the solution. Now this is the challenge for you. 5 cats can kill 5 rats in 5 days. 2 cats can kill 4 rats in how many days? This is the question for you. Just try to solve and give me that answer in our comment box. And one more question, that is a contract undertakes to build a wall. 15 days, 50 days is the contract. Only 50 people for the same. How many after 25 days find that only 40% of the work is completed? How many more men needed to employ to complete the work in time? So after 25 days, started with the 50 people, 40% of the work only completed. The rest of the 60% of the work is to be completed in 25 days. How many additional to be take to complete the work in time? So this is the way we consider and try to solve and find out the x value. So this is the hint and try to solve. Thank you.